What is BG? We're a company founded by a small group of the greatest generation. The kind of men who wouldn't stop until victory was won over there, and then joined as one company over here. Humble beginnings. They didn't look for fancy offices, search for knockoff products, or even worry about who would be president. They cared about who's in charge of R&D. Today, we have over 20,000 shops working in partnership with BG worldwide. We've been around long enough to know that slick marketing doesn't lay claim to loyal customers. They claim you. Among service managers nationwide, we are proud to be chosen 4-1 over any other fuel cleaner or oil fortifier, ranking as the #1 fluid maintenance supplier in the U.S. We know to remain #1, it takes more than keeping up repairs on outdated facilities. It means building a foundation of manufacturing, unmatched in this century. And it means building the right products and equipment for the next generation of service. We look forward to our future, while remaining ever loyal to our past. For over 45 years, one truth remains. Service success happens with great partnerships and must be earned on every RO. These are BG shops. This is our team. And these are our products. We are BG, and we're just getting started.